What's up guys, welcome back to another Simple Builds YouTube video. If you have questions about your E30 tune for your Fiesta ST, you came to the right place. I'm going to clear that up for you. So let's jump right into it. Quick, I mean stage 2. All right, that's really, we're gonna go to Sunoco for the gas, so we're jumping right into it. So we got the E85 with us in the back. We got it all buckled in and bagged up so it doesn't stink up my car. I'm gonna go to the gas station and I'm gonna do this for the first time, so you guys are gonna come along with me. So hopefully I can help you guys and show you the process. If you have questions, because I know I was looking all over online, the videos that are about this are terrible. They don't show you how to do it or what to do. So I'm gonna hopefully clear some of this stuff up for you guys. So I'm gonna get to the gas station. It's rowdy. Okay, this is not Sunoco. Hopefully they have good gas. All right. We're using our fuel input to measure how much E30 we're gonna put in. So if we're at 50, we're gonna add 24.4% of what's in there right now. It's a 12.4 gallon tank. So we're gonna get this, what's 50 plus 24 is 74.1. So we're gonna get this to 74.1. Turn my access port on. We got the no knob. Let's unbuckle that there. I just gotta put some of this corn fuel in first, and then I'm gonna fill it up the rest of the way. It's basically to make the car faster. This is E85, so it's ethanol instead of 576. I think that's good. I think I'm gonna call that there. Let's see if I can get this guy's attention without being a jerk. Can I just fill it 93? So now we're filling it up 93. Shouldn't be too expensive now. So we'll put this, we filled it up the rest of the way. Close that up. So that's our process right there. Now what we do, load up the E30 tune, and then we're gonna run it for like 15 miles. E30 Fiesta flash tune with the burbles. It's a flash tune right here with some burbles, so it'll still sound pretty nice, but it's gonna get a custom E30 tune in the future. But as of right now, we got the flash tune. We'll let that run. That's it. Change map successful. Turn key off for at least 15 seconds, like always. If I like to open the door to just totally get it reset. Okay, let me turn the car on. So I guess we're gonna go mix it around a little bit, let the car run through its cycle. Got to get that E30 into through the fuel lines and into the system, and so it can actually start firing out the injectors into the engine. So I think for around 15 miles, we're not going to really get on it at all. We're just going to let it run through the system. So we're going to change our fuel level input monitor to octane adjustment ratio, or the learn ratio, with what Dizzy recommends and what other people have recommended to watch and to monitor. We wanted about -0.1. That means you got good gas. Let's go kill some time. Let's hear it. All right, so I'm gonna try to do a second gear pull. Yeah, that pulls pretty good. All right, we're in third. That rips. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Man, it's pulling. It feels really good. So excited. Finally E30, finally. Feels good. Have a little bit more fun with it. All right, let's see if we can do one launch control for you guys. Oh my God. Absolutely rips the tires off. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, that was sick. 0 to 60. Can I do a 0 to 60? Let's see. Okay, alright. I shifted early and first. Okay, let's see what it says. We got 0 to 60 in 6.82 seconds. No, wait, 6.89. As soon as my high flow downpipe comes in, then we'll probably be able to get some real numbers here. It's enough, it's fun. Until we go big turbo, this is kind of it's fun to drive around with. Going. That's my quarter-mile time right there, baby. Trapped. Not bad, not bad. Let's see, what's my quarter-mile time? Our quarter-mile time, let's see. Oh, really? 15 seconds at 93? Oh my God. 15.4 second quarter mile. It's slow. It's not a drag car, that's for sure. Oh man, I opened and pop a tire, holy crap. Does Durango want some sauce? Oh, he does want the sauce. He does. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There he goes. He's gone. Oh my God. That was epic. Oh my God. I got him on the roll though. You saw it. You saw it. Man, that thing rips. I love those. Holy crap. Hey, bro, he was on the dig. That thing is heavy too. Holy crap. Alright, so we got the little chotch out here now.
Your video?
Yeah, we're gonna see if it's just me or if it's actually noticeable difference. We're gonna come second gear pull.
Cars, so this really
oh yeah. How many horsepower is your Crosstrek? Feel a difference?
I should throw up. That was pretty quick.
Pretty quick, right?
Yeah, that was pretty quick.
Also, guys, follow me on TikTok. My TikTok has been blowing up. I mean, not really, but my one TikTok is hitting like 20-something thousand views. It's actually car related, so follow me on TikTok and you'll get a bunch of cool stuff. People are kind of roasting me for not heel towing, but you cannot do it in a... Oh my God, look at that. It was at 20, I'm at 40,000 views. And I gained like another 200 followers. It's nothing big, but 7,000 likes. 7,000 likes on the latest TikTok. And 40,000 views, not bad. I did not expect it to do that good. I thought it was gonna get like some traction, but holy crap. Go check it out, follow me on TikTok. Seth Vac, V-A-C-C. All right, I think I'm gonna call it for the night. That was a fun drive, we got a lot of information, so I'll catch you guys in the next clip. my overall thoughts and review on the E30 tune. Definitely recommend it. Super sick, super fun. I'll leave the numbers of the results that I got at the end after everything was broken in and towards the end of the night when I did it. So basically 3 factors. Gas mileage, number 1, terrible. Dropped down drastically. I'm getting 19 miles per gallon, 3 days, I think, since E30 tune, and I've used half a tank. I haven't driven that much. I've been getting on it, you know, driving the car spiritedly, but yeah, half a tank used for 3 days, so down, down, down. Horsepower, not a massive increase. I think maybe it'll give you like an extra 10 horsepower or so. The torque, huge increase. The torque was a massive increase. That was the biggest thing that you kind of get with this tune, is a crazy torque increase, which makes the car feel so much fun. Second gear pulls are so much fun. Availability is a big thing with the 85. A lot of people don't have access to 85 on mine. Closest gas station is an hour away. The other thing is with how do you fill up? That was like the biggest thing and the biggest worry. So how do you fill up? So basically, here's the math. The gas tank capacity is 12.4 gallons on the Fiesta. So all you got to do, and I called my brother for this because I'm not good at math, but the only thing you got to do is go to your access port, go to your fuel input level. Once you're at your fuel input level, whatever you're at, you have to add on 24.1%. Tank, say you're at 50 like I was in the video, and you'll go and watch the access port as you're filling up, and say you're at 50, then you're going to go to 74.1, or as close to that area as you can. You kind of got to just, you know, get in that direct ballpark range. You know, try to be as accurate as possible. But that's pretty much it. Get that VP Racing tank so you can easily pour it into the tank. The other question, what is needed for the tune? So basically, you can go onto Dizzy's website on his E30 tune section, and you'll get all the information on there. What's recommended is 1-step colder spark plugs. I think you probably should be okay without them, but Dizzy recommends them, so it's an easy enough swap. Go ahead and get those thin wall sockets and do those spark plugs. For his dyno tune results, he's got it all on there, everything that the car has. I have similar things. He's got the cob panel filter, he's got the Denso spark plugs, he's got the Mishimoto induction hose, and a Depot front mount intercooler. So I have all those similar things, maybe just a different manufacturer. So general synopsis: fuel mileage terrible, torque way up, horsepower sort of up, not a crazy increase. The availability of the 85 is another factor, and also mixing the right ratio, the proper ratio from 85 to 93, which equals your E30 blend. That is going to be used with the fuel level input on your access port. Add on 24.1% onto your current percentage of how much you have in your tank. And if you have any other questions, let me know down below. If you have any other input, maybe I said something wrong, feel free to let me know down in the comments. If you guys have other methods that you use, throw them down in the comments as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We got a lot of cool things coming up. Thanks for tuning in for this one. I really hope to help you guys out, and I hope I can clear some things up, because again, I'm just answering a lot of questions for you guys that I've been trying to find myself. If you have any ideas for videos that you want me to do next, let me know down in the comments below. For now, catch you guys in the next one.